guys, good morning. What's up? Today is Tuesday, July 27th. I was about to say June. The fact that it's August in a few days is just actually insane to me. But what's up? I'm vlogging today. As you guys probably know, I went to Rolling Loud this past weekend. My original intention was to vlog it, but things got a little hectic, and in the end, I'm glad I didn't vlog, because if I were to have taken my camera, I would never post another vlog again. It would not have made it out alive. I know you guys would probably be like, but you vlogged last time you went. Last time I went was literally a joke. I went one day in 2019, which was Friday. Barely went in the crowd. Nah. This year I went all 3 days. And so since I couldn't vlog, I'm definitely gonna share all the clips and footage I have, and I could like kind of narrate what happened. I got robbed. Friday was super fun. We went, saw a bunch of people perform. ASAP performed. I was kind of disappointed. He didn't really do much. Nothing too exciting happened. I'm trying to remember. Parking was a mess that day, so the next 2 days we didn't park, but we were literally trying to park my friend's car for 2 hours. Go. They just took some random girl's fries. I mean, whatever those were. And then Saturday was the most hectic day, the day I got robbed and the day we spent the most time there. It was super, super fun. I prefer the daytime of the event way more than nighttime. It's just so much more enjoyable, and like I was able to like see more. The highlight of the whole weekend was Travis. Like, he is my favorite besides Kid Cudi, but Kid Cudi is going to New York and not Miami, which makes me so mad. But yeah, so Travis was the one person I really wanted to see. And I was at the way front. His whole performance is insane. Everybody goes crazy. The mosh pits were actually insane. Like, I got trampled, broke my foot, like everything. And that's when I got robbed. So you guys know my jewelry. You guys are all always asking where it's from, and I wear it every single day, and it's just like my 4 gold necklaces. Basically, I was just standing in the mosh. It was like in a toned down moment, and I feel somebody from the back grab my necklaces and like just steal them. You don't understand how aggressive it was. Like, in the moment I was like not like in it. Like, thankfully I got to keep 2 necklaces. Like, they couldn't take all 4, but they broke. So I have 2 broken necklaces. I'm gonna replace them, but it was just very chaotic. Obviously it's replaceable, so I'm not gonna like cry about it, but it was scary. I don't know. Yeah, and then Sunday, which was, I was gonna say yesterday, Sunday, which was 2 days ago, was the day I think we spent the least time there. We only saw like 2 people perform. I didn't even get to see Posty. I love my boy Posty. But we didn't see him because it was gonna be so hectic to leave, so we had to leave early. But yeah, I'm done rambling. I'm just gonna import any videos I have, and that's what's going on. Like I said, it's Tuesday and I'm going to the beach with Camila. I haven't seen her in a minute. And yeah, we're just gonna do that. Yeah, it's just a chill vlog today. I don't really have any set plans, so I'm just gonna take you guys along. Oh, I forgot to mention, on Sunday when we were watching the baby, it was actually insane. That was the worst crowd. Actually worse, and we were way at the front. We were all gonna faint. I was actually about to faint. We had to leave, and right when I was walking out, somebody tapped me and said they watched my videos. So if that was you, much love to you. And yeah, that's what's going on. Anyways, I'm gonna head out to get Camila, and oh my god, like I said, I'm just gonna keep remembering stuff about the weekend, but I just thought I'd rate the performers. Somebody that really surprised me was Don Toliver. Sorry, I was laughing because my friends, anyways, his name is funny to me, but I love his music, but his performance, the crowd really got into it. Like, it was really good. I think it was Travis, then Don Toliver. Who else? But yeah, I think those were my top 2 of the weekend. Yeah, and if I watched Post Malone, I probably would have said him too, but we couldn't watch him. I just picked up Camila. We went to Publix. I got my sushi. And
sushi? One of them.
Oh yeah. Okay, anyways. So I'm about to tell her a story I just remembered, and I'm gonna tell you guys. It was actually such a surreal moment. Like, super unreal. Okay, basically, we were sitting on the floor, like waiting for I forget who to come on, and we're like just sitting in a circle, and this man,
how old?
Probably like late 20. Oh, he was 25. I asked him.
Oh my god.
Wait, no, he was 21. I thought he was 25. Okay, anyways, point being, he comes up and he starts talking to all of us. We're sitting like in a semicircle, and I'm right here at the edge, and then he sits right there, and he's like, come here, come here. next to me. I was like, no, like I'm fine. Yeah, and then he was just like creating conversation, but like when I don't want to talk to somebody, I was like making eye contact with him. I was like looking in front. He's like, why are you looking at them? They're not trying to entertain you. I was like, okay. And then he's like, so how old are you? Like, are you from here? All this stuff. And I don't know why I said I was 18. Like, say you're 17 and get out of the situation.
Oh yeah.
But whatever. So I said I was 18. He's like, no way, you look older and all this stuff. What happened next? He's like, you trying to take advantage of the situation that we don't know each other? You trying to come home with me? I was like, oh no. He's like, you not for the streets? I was like, no. He's like, you too good for that? I was like, yeah, of course.
What actual?
And then he's like, damn, are you sure? Like, he was fully like asking me to like, when he got up, he whispered in my ear, he's like, you so fun as
no one like gets with someone else at Rolling Loud. Like, it's not a place to like hook up.
Right? Like, Anyway, story time. Bleh, bleh.
This is so heavy.
There's no seaweed in sight. What is happening? Hi guys, so it is now 3 p.m. and the UV is still 11.
That's not possible.
Anyways, there were fish following us in the water. I don't know what's good. Anyways, there were fish following us in the water.
Nah, the fish in this water were actually getting freaky.
No,
like, they were in the mood and it was kind of scary. One of the fish kept flapping its thing on
Ew, kept flapping on me.
It kept flapping on Tamara. It was so weird.
Anyways, so we're gonna leave in a little bit. My hair's a little wonky. And we're gonna stop by my house to pick up my film camera. And then we're gonna go to Bellows to get it developed. And we're gonna get Bob's because I haven't had boba in a minute. We're here once again. Literally was here my last vlog. Anyways, I'll be right back. Oh my god. Okay, wait, give me my card.
Credit or debit? Here. Here.
Bebe.
Guys. Bowl.
So she's eating that, and I'm just gonna have this. Yeah. I had sushi at the beach.
We rarely get this place because it's so far from us. What'd you get?
It's like milk tea. You wanna taste it? It's like cinnamony. Actually, it's not.
Let me take one.
It's so good. You don't like it?
I just got bald. I hate boba.
Alright, girl.
I've been shaking this for like half an hour.
No, fully. Like, girl. I'm gonna call Vera, this girl. So I got boba for Vera, and now she's like, I don't even know where I'm supposed to drop it off. She gives you
address with the boys.
Anyways, on a side note, I got really burnt. Bro, why didn't she answer?
Google Fi subscriber you have called is not available.
Google Fi subscriber?
Girl, I got your boba. Where you want to meet? That looks so good. You know what that's making me want? Chicken Kitchen.
We can't get Chicken Kitchen. Can we get Chicken Kitchen? Oh, because tomorrow we're going. Fine, another day we'll get Chicken Kitchen.
Fine.
I love Chicken Kitchen.
My car is actually disgusting. I think I'm gonna get a car wash. I'm gonna head back home now. It is now 5 o'clock. So I'm back home. I just changed into workout clothes. I got so burnt, but I'm about to go to the gym. Very bloated from that boba. The problem with boba is that it's so good and then it makes me feel so sick after, so yeah. But anyways, I'm about to put the laundry to wash. I'm gonna head out, so yeah. And when I get home, I'm gonna shower. Bye. Okay, this is actually absurd the way I got burnt. Anyways, where's sunscreen? Need to know. Gym time. Queen, looking like a queen. So basically her is freestyling on the phone for us.
It's not my I'm kidding. Wait, I want to see what he posted.
Where's my... What if he watches this? Love you. Anyways, gym time.
Every night.
Yesterday when I woke up with like my legs sore. I was like, what is this? I think I got bit by something.
Fish. The freaky fish.
It doesn't go down.
Ew.
Do you see that?
Touch it. She got a lump on her leg.
Can they see? Wait, I want to see if it...
You can see it.
You see?
It's like a lump.
Huge. What if it was a scorpion?
Girl, wait.
I die like midway into the exercise.
I'm going on the grid, texting back. I want you.
Okay, I really can't.
Hit you up, I'm on.
Yeah, and then today, yeah.
Alright, plank.
Goes.
Okay, now we're going to do our butt exercises and then we're done. It was fully like a hurricane. Oh, it's still drizzling. When we were inside, we saw lightning bolts the size of my neighborhood.
By the way, I do 100 of these.
You know what scared me?
What?
When you told me like if you train your legs.
I always think about that. What if one of your subscribers is like a dolphin? Like, you know?
Remember when I thought I got a spider bite? It was just a Hi guys, so I just got out of the shower. It's 11:30 at night now. I don't know why I showered so late, but I got home and I ate and I did some laundry. Oh, also I'm wearing a Rolling Loud shirt. I got it for free. Anyways, I thought I'd show you guys some more clothes that Dolls Kill just sent me. They sent me some more clothes. I literally am so thankful for them. Like, they are my supply of clothes. Everything is top notch. I literally went in on how much I love them in my last video and they sent me a whole bunch of other stuff. So if you want to check that out, check out my last vlog. For starters, I got two of the same thing, just in two colors, and it is a one piece. I explained how much I loved one pieces in my last video and I'm not gonna have to reiterate, but this is actually so perfect. It fits on your body so well and it's just like this, and it's in the prettiest royal blue color, and then another one of my favorite colors, red. I got the exact same thing in and definitely gonna be getting good use out of this for going out and even for like casual days. Then I got a bathing suit. I know summer is coming to an end, but your girl lives in Miami, so it's acceptable. And it's like this, it's just cut out in the front, and it's like, then the bottoms just look like this. They have the same cutout just on the top, and then the back is like this. It's kind of covered, which is good because most of my bathing suit bottoms are very showy. Then I got a going out top. It looks like this. It's kind of like a corset style top and it just like ties up in the front, and it's also a halter like that, so it goes like that. And the back, it just zips up and it's like a silky material. It's really good quality. Moving on, I got a set. I got like 50 sets in the last video, so I had to simmer down. But anyways, I got these scrunch fake leather material, and I actually have these in red. I absolutely love these pants, especially because they like add something to just like plain like leather tights, and they make your body look really good. And this one actually came with a black top, which the red ones didn't come with, and it's just like this fake leather like tank. Then I got something else in my favorite blue color, and it is just this jean denim jacket, and it's like this really pretty blue color. I got it a little oversized. And yeah, I love wearing like solid color outfits and then adding pops of color with like jackets or whatnot. Then I got another going out top. This is so cool. I can't really put my finger on what it is, but I really like this. They also had it in black, stringy material in the front, and then the back just zips like that. Then I got another top, and this one is just, it looks like this basically. It's like one shoulder and then it like swoops down to one side, like so. It's soft material, and in the back it's just open. 10 out of 10 for that. Then I got another pair of pants. I love these. You guys know I like my funky pants, and these are literally just plain black, but I love them so much because on the sides they have little circle cutouts, so it adds a lot to just like plain pants, and it goes up your whole leg. And last but not least, I got another item in this color of the year for me. They're just these jeans. Again, they flare out and they're super stretchy and comfortable, which is a must for me. They just have these little cuts on the knees, and they're super flattering since they're stretchy, they're tight. And I'm not really a big fan of like skinny jeans, but since these have flares, they're acceptable. Anyways, that was it. Like I always say, I will leave a link to Dolls Kill as well as all of the items down below. Be sure to check them out because 10 out of 10. The shipping is so fast, everything is great quality. They have such a selection to choose from, and everything's so unique. Like, you're not gonna see anybody wearing any of these items. Besides that, I know this was just a one-day vlog, which is not something I normally do, but I really wanted to get a video up. I hope you guys are all having a really good day, doing the things you love, staying positive, being productive. Summer is slowly coming to an end, and which means these vlogs are coming to an end, so I'm gonna try to put as many as I can up. I'm not vlogging tomorrow because I'm basically doing the same thing with Camila during the day, and then we have these other plans at night. But besides that, if you're new, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. If you guys want to check out all my new Rolling Loud pictures, I posted them there. And I really just rambled for the past 8 minutes. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon.